In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings to fix FPS and lag and stutter issues in PUBG Season 39. So first thing you want to do is go to settings here and then go to game mode, turn game mode on, then graphics, and make sure advanced accelerator is turned on. So once you have this done, once you're here, scroll down and you will see your game. So find your game, then click on this scroll, and then make sure you select the high performance, and then turn this on. And after you do this, by the way, if you don't find your game here, you can just browse and just select it manually. And once you select it, you add it here, you will be able to just have the option to have to place it as high performance. So once you have this done, now you wanna basically open the folder of your game. So I'll show this as an example for this game. Follow the same steps for PUBG Season 39, and then go to manage. Then you wanna go to the location of your game. So your game might say something like PUBG.exe. So what you will do, right click and then properties. Then you'll go here. Okay, so I'm supposed to click on this one, and then properties, and then compatibility, and then disable full screen optimization, and then apply and okay. So once you have this done, now you want to go here and type in run, and then type %temp%. Select all of these folders and then delete them. After you delete these, go to this PC, C drive, and then Windows, and then here you want to go to prefetch. So it should say prefetch. Go to prefetch and also select everything and then delete everything here. So once you have this done, go to device manager and always check if you are on the latest version. So when you go to display adapters, make sure you always update your display adapters, and you can even update them if you have like a software like an NVIDIA. So you'll have the option to update your drivers. So make sure you are always on the latest version of your driver. So click download to update. And once you have this done, always make sure that you don't run multiple games at the same time. Make sure you don't have multiple like softwares running at the same time. As you can see, I'm like disabled Epic Games. I try to disable as many softwares as possible. And then in task manager, you want to do the same thing. Just make sure you don't have too many softwares or games running at the same time. You can just right click and then end task to stop them, and this should fix the issue.